Vegas is known for its bright lights, crazy nights, and sometimes questionable sights. But we're at the sweetest experience Las Vegas has to offer. Literally. We're at Ethel M's Chocolate Factory, their flagship store right off the Las Vegas Strip. And we even earned these today. There's 3 very unique experiences, and we're going to take you on all 3 today. And at the end of the video, we're going to treat one of you and your guest to a chocolate tasting experience all for yourself. But I don't want to be rude. Let me introduce us, and we'll meet you inside. Hi, we're Chuck and Linda. We packed just the essentials, drove to the middle of the Mojave Desert, settled down, and we welcome you to our life in Las Vegas. All right, so while we wait for the first experience, which is the chocolate tasting room, they have a nice little lobby here. You can just kind of chill out, enjoy your free sample of chocolate. You can go grab a drink in the back, but we'll take you on that tour later. So we're going to experience all 3 experiences today: the chocolate tasting room, the chocolate store inside here. That everything is just amazing. We're going to show you all kinds of good stuff here. There's even Las Vegas souvenirs that you can take home with you. And then the third thing we're going to do is tour the Cactus Garden, which is pretty cool, especially in the wintertime around the holidays for Christmas, between Thanksgiving and Christmas. All right, so as soon as they call our name, we're going to go into the chocolate tasting room and begin our first experience today. We could do our little selfie wall right here. The chocolate tasting room sits about 24 people. We came for the fruit fusion truffle and mimosa pairing. All your chocolates and drinks are laid out for you when you arrive. The class is very interactive.
Our founder, this great man right here. Ta-da! Forrest Mars Sr. Round of applause, please, for Forrest. He brought us so many.
We've been here on 4 different occasions, and the classes are always amazing. They really ask you to engage all your senses. You start by feeling the chocolate, feeling how satiny and soft it is, smelling it, taking in all the aromas, and they teach you to push the chocolate up onto the top of your palate so you really get all the flavors. It's like an orange and vanilla.
Orange and vanilla. Anyone get?
Turns out in this case, it was vanilla, but it was actually mango, not orange.
Now the texture is going to be a little bit looser. You've got 2 different fillings, a ganache and a satin cream.
So you can take the tasting class with just chocolate. Most of their classes you can pair with wine, and this seasonal one you could pair with mimosas. It absolutely changes the whole experience of the chocolate.
More growers now are using the pulp not just for fermentation, but they're going to use it for different products.
The class consists of not only the chocolate tasting and then pairing if you choose to do that with wine or mimosa, but they also give you an education on the chocolate making process, how Ethel M's was founded, information about the factory, and information about the property that this sits on as well. It's really a great class all the way around. I think this really makes for a perfect family outing. The whole family can come and enjoy themselves, or especially good for a date night. My wife and I love coming here because we can just go out and have a date, have an interactive activity, and then roam around the property, and you'll see in our next 2 experiences what the rest of this place is like. And once you complete the class, you are now an honorary chocolatier, and you even earn a 15% coupon for the store. All right, we just wrapped up the chocolate tasting class. It's amazing. I mean, they teach you a little bit about the chocolate making process, where the beans are grown. We didn't want to give it all away, so we didn't show you all that. Come see that for yourself. But when you're done, you definitely want to come check out this amazing chocolate store. They have so much to offer here. And if you come during the holidays or during a busy time, there's a lot of workers that are making treats right here in the center kiosk. And all through the windows, you can watch all the whole chocolate making process. It's pretty cool. Now, for those of you that are 50 plus, do you remember this scene on TV?
Fine, you're doing splendidly. Speed it up!
Fortunately, they don't have that problem here, but you can sit and watch the whole process. And while you're here, don't forget to grab a selfie in front of the chocolate wall. This thing is just gigantic, and just what a cool picture it makes. But here's a little trivia for you. Let me know in the comments if you know where the other chocolate wall in Las Vegas is located. All right, this is the lower level of the chocolate store. This is where you just take in the aroma of all the chocolate. It smells so delightful. You want to leave with everything.
It has little trays that come out on either side. Oh, so good. So good. So these are cool little souvenir tins right here. They say Taste of Las Vegas. They're actually metal tins full of chocolate.
One of the orange slice peas.
This is Justin who's going to be helping us today. Did we get a free sample today, Justin?
I can get you one of those. Which
Good.
would you like?
I want one of everything. It's chocolate time. You can build your own box. You can buy pre-made boxes. You get to pick your own pieces. It's amazing.
One honey double,
She'll
one
take one of
vanilla
everything.
truffle.
Literally one of everything.
Oh, and then a cinnamon pecan truffle, and that is it. I promise.
Okay, that's 4 pieces I got.
Yes, perfect.
And then?
There
And
is
then?
no and then.
No! No and then! No and then! No and then! No and then!
So good. I'm not a big milk chocolate fan, but I'm a peanut butter fanatic. That is amazing. This is like the best Reese's peanut butter cup you could ever have, but it's Ethel M's. It's Mars. It's not Reese's. All right, we're done inside, so now it's time for experience number 3. They have a cactus garden here with over 300 varieties of cactus. If you're a cactus nerd, you're going to love it. But it's just a cool place to walk through. And if you come here during the holidays, they put up over 1 million Christmas lights out here, and it's just a beautiful display of just lights all throughout this garden. So we're going to go for a little quick walk around the garden. There's some great little picture opportunity spots, and we were just told if you come during Valentine's Day, it's pretty special too. So let's check it out. So during the holidays, the property can get pretty packed with people. The store is packed shoulder to shoulder sometimes. But if you take the chocolate tasting experience, part of being an honorary chocolatier, not only is that 15% off coupon, but VIP access to the front of the line to walk through the Cactus Garden. And during the winter, they have a hot chocolate and treat stand set up outside. It's just amazing. All right, we're done enjoying the Cactus Garden. We had to get out of the heat. Even though it's 7 p.m., it's still 109 degrees outside. So definitely come in the wintertime or the fall or the spring. Bring a coat if you come in the winter. It's an amazing place to come. You know, this place is awesome for the whole family. Kids of all ages are welcome here. If you want to do the chocolate tasting, they recommend 6 years or older. But the chocolate tasting costs a few dollars. And the Cactus Garden and the store inside is totally free to come visit. You can just come in here and experience the whole property. But we want one of you and your guests to enjoy the chocolate tasting experience. So we're going to give it away to you on your next trip. All you have to do to enter this little giveaway is make sure you're a subscriber to the channel, like this video, and share this video with the person you want to bring. When this particular video hits 1,000 views, we're going to comment down below who the winner is. So make sure you leave a comment down below so we know you're here and we know you're watching and we know you want that. So if you really enjoyed this video, this is the other side of Vegas. It's things like this that brought us to Vegas and made us not ever want to leave. If you want to see the other side of Vegas, visit our website. There's a link in the description below. Go click on Las Vegas is Calling and download our free resource guide. It's full of information like off-strip dining, places to charge your electric vehicles, and the best way to get around the strip on a budget depending on where you're going. And maybe you'll like one of these other videos that's going to pop up here, and we appreciate you enjoying our life in Las Vegas.
I know exactly what remove my trash.
Just being in here, when you walk in, the sweet scent of chocolate everywhere. So indulgent. I can eat it all.
White.
Why?
Yes.
Oh. I thought it was a
Yes.
trick question.
It's never a trick question. Your mouth, that milk chocolate, and the center is that satin cream.
Vegas is known for its bright lights.
Oh, I need more.
What? Are you kidding me? All right, so all right.